Hello, meet LizWiz. This is the main workspace where tenants interact with LizWiz. On the right side, you can see wizards, focus tools designed for specific rental situations, helping you achieve the best possible outcome. To provide accurate and personalized guidance, the assistant first needs to analyze your lease agreement. That's why the first step is uploading your rental documents in the Manage Documents section. Here, you can upload your lease and any related addendums. Once the document is uploaded, LizWiz automatically begins processing and analyzing it. Next, we move to the Lease Dashboard. Here, LizWiz extracts key lease terms and prepares structured data for you and the assistant. By clicking Autofill from Lease, the dashboard is populated directly from your uploaded documents. You can review the information, make corrections if needed, and confirm it. Once confirmed, this data becomes the foundation for all future answers. Now everything is ready. Let's create a new chat and ask our first real question. I'll dictate it using voice input. My apartment is very cold. It's only 59 degrees Fahrenheit. The heating system isn't working properly, and this has already continued for 2 days. I haven't received any clear information from my landlord about when it will be fixed. What can I do? And the response is ready. From now on, you can ask questions anytime. Your assistant is available 24/7. No additional uploads are needed unless new documents are relevant to your request. LizWiz helps tenants understand their lease, communicate effectively, and act with confidence all in one place.